Hello, guys. The first March Sunday, and it's time to discuss crypto market, specific Bitcoin. Today, I want to talk about the price, about like where we are, where we go, and how we can position ourselves to get some benefit, to get some profit in near future. Yeah, we see some big fall from like the last perspective. We are down from all-time high right now, like 52%, and we are in really interesting position, and I want to discuss with you this position. Anyway, I don't tell like my opinion is the most important. It's just opinion. I share my knowledge, I share my like 7 year plus experience, and I want to give you some good feedback so you can use this information and get some edge on the market. Okay, if we look to the Bitcoin price, and if we look about like big perspective, we notice something. We notice like right now in the market we don't have volume, and it is really big downside, because if we look about like 2021, 22, like we see the huge amounts of volume are injected into crypto market. Right now it's nothing. We see like we get some all-time high, but I think so this all-time high is more like manipulative side. It's more about like algo trading, smart money trading, and it's more about like market maker movement. It's not like the usual interest from the retail. You can see how much volume we have in like 2012, 2021, 22, and right now we don't have this volume. And the interesting part, in if we like go and look, like when we are in like deep in this like bear market, when we are down in like $50,000, we see like here amounts is bigger than right now, and it's really bad sign. Okay, if we talk about this in from like technical perspective, you can see here we have some big YCO zone, some big like order block, we can say, and from like we have like 49,000 till 72,000. This block is really huge, and right now we see like price is stopping here, and it is good. So for me, I really, before this like dump, I already knew we can go in this area because here is huge volume. We can make and check like vertical and horizontal volume. If we check where is the like biggest volume, we can see it's actually something like here. If we like spread, no, like the biggest volume is like around 30 to like 80,000. This block. The second one is in 44,000, like in here, and something. The third or the second biggest volume is actually right now is like from 56 to $71,000. Really, I don't see like Bitcoin is going down from this perspective. Maybe some quick manipulation to like 26,000. Yes, maybe this kind of scenario can happen, but I think these prices are holding, really holding, because here is a huge volume. But anyways, I can give you some like from this big perspective. I want to go into some local perspective and looking into, because here we have some beautiful wyckoff. We have some price range with like upper zone 72,000 and like lower zones in 59,000, and I want to really discuss like these zones. But before, guys, before we discuss these zones, it's very important to trade on good quality platforms. The good quality platform is exchanges like BingX, where you can get some welcome bonus to like $6,000, and exchange like Bybit. Here you get some welcome bonus. Is really huge. It's depend on your like deposit, but really those exchanges is 100 legit. It's it's really like huge amount of volume here. You don't see some like uh, bad trades here because those exchanges have really good reputation. So guys, it's very important to not go into some like scam exchange, but trade on really like good and quality exchange. You can find some like this welcome bonuses and our links in description. And which is the most important, if you really don't have some capital but you have some knowledge, you can go and trade on the prop firm. Right now is a really good platform is Hedge when you can get up to like $100,000. It's cost like uh $799, and it's two-step uh like process. First of all, you need to trade like 8%, and the second phase you need to trade like 6%, and then you are starting to be like funded, and then you can really extract money like up to 80% profit split is huge amount. This exchange is 100 legit, and the most important, you see the interface is like in any another exchange. It's very similar to Bybit, it's very similar to BingX. So the main like the maximum leverage here is 5x, but I think from this kind of purpose, when you have huge amount of money, it's totally enough. So guys, if you have knowledge, go and check all information. I link this information in like first comment and in description. So okay guys, go back to the charts, and I want to discuss some like this local information where we can buy, where we can sell, because right now we have Wyckoff, we have like upper zones, middle zone, and lower zones. So the really good area to buy Bitcoin right now is from 63,000 till like 60,000. This area is really good to buy. But anyways, the best experience to buy is looking for something like this. We go here, we retrace, and then we see we have some break of structure, and then we can go in and buy. And then we have like understanding point of interest. We can position ourselves, we can make like good like stop loss a little bit lower than the zone, and we can go to the like this upper zone. It's really like good risk reward ratio, you can see. So this is like first scenario. If you're more aggressive, you can just put some limit order here, and if price go here, you just go just in. Then we have like this scenario. We can go here, and then we can break with candle. No, just like with like this kind of stuff when we see just not just like this scenario. We can see candle, and then we see like this move. If we see like just only candlestick is going down, it's not telling us this information like trend is going down. No, it's just manipulation. But guys, if we see like candle going lower than this area, it's really huge like information for us to see. We can go lower, and we can go lower. We have so many zones, so we can go till like 48,000. So, guys, you need to be really careful, because otherwise you just can get liquidated. Yes. So, we have this kind of scenario. First of all, we go here, we can go in an open long position, but if candle go down, it's really mean we can go lower. And it's exactly the same with like going upper from this zone. Yeah, if we break the structure with candle body, it's give us information, then we can go upper and go to this liquidity and upper. So don't just starting to short from 72,000. You need to see some confirmation. What kind of confirmation we can see? Yeah, the main confirmation, we can take liquidity, but we don't see like confirmation with body, with candle body, and we don't see any volume, and we see like pricing is not like the best for buyers, and then we can go into short position. But anyway, guys, we need to anyways take some we need to position ourselves right. We need to take like stop orders, stop loss, because otherwise we can get liquidated, because its crypto markets is very volatile and very huge moves can happen, because you always need to put some stop loss. Otherwise, it's really, really risky. Okay, guys, I hope I give you some good information. You can analyze that. You can then go into this crypto market, position yourself good, and get some real good edge and make some money. I hope you like this video. I will really happy if you make some likes, subscribe to my channel. This give me more motivation to give you good good feedback and give you good like content and create much more analytic for you. Okay, guys, thank you. You find the best links in description. Have a nice day. Be careful. Don't overtrade and have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.